Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to make the incredible super dragon roll. Start by spreading about 4 ounces of sushi rice over half sheet of nori, then flip it. Place about 2 ounces of spicy tuna and sprinkle some crunchy tempura on top. Roll it up. And then slice some fresh avocado to lay on top. Now put down 3 thinly sliced pieces of warm unagi over the roll. Use plastic wrap and bamboo mat to shape the roll nice and tight. Then cut it into 12 pieces. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with some carrot slices and a flower in the middle of the plate. Arrange the super dragon rolls around the carrot and flower masterpiece. Finally, drizzle unagi sauce on top of the roll. Voila, you have just created the amazing super dragon roll.